Understanding hyperbolic discounting, balancing instant gratification and long-term goals.
Welcome to our Psychology of the Day. In this insightful video, we delve into the fascinating topic of understanding hyperbolic discounting, balancing instant gratification and long-term goals. We aim to help you unlock the secrets of self-control and embark on a journey toward long-term success. Now more than ever, self-control and the ability to balance instant gratification with long-term success have become crucial in our fast-paced world. It's common to find ourselves caught between the allure of immediate pleasure and the pursuit of long-term goals. That's why we're excited to bring you this insightful video on understanding hyperbolic discounting, balancing instant gratification and long-term goals. By diving into the science behind self-control, we aim to equip you with the knowledge and strategies to navigate this internal struggle and embark on a fulfilling journey toward long-term success. Explanation of hyperbolic discounting. Hyperbolic discounting refers to our tendency to prioritize immediate rewards over larger, delayed rewards. Our brains are wired to seek instant gratification as it provides immediate pleasure or relief. This preference for immediate rewards can often overshadow the value of long-term benefits. Essentially, we're more likely to choose instant pleasure over delayed gratification. Example: the marshmallow test. One classic experiment that exemplifies hyperbolic discounting is the marshmallow test. In this test, young children were given a choice. They could have one marshmallow immediately or wait for a certain period and receive 2 marshmallows. The results showed that many children couldn't resist the allure of immediate gratification, even though waiting would lead to a greater reward. This experiment highlights the struggle between the desire for instant pleasure and the potential for more significant gains in the future. Implications in everyday life. Hyperbolic discounting affects various aspects of our lives. It influences our ability to save money, maintain a healthy lifestyle, or commit to long-term relationships. We often struggle to resist the temptation of immediate rewards, even when we know they may hinder our long-term goals. This tendency can lead to impulsive spending, neglecting exercise routines, or prioritizing short-term pleasures over the stability and fulfillment that long-term commitments can bring. Additional examples: hyperbolic discounting can manifest in different areas of our lives, hindering our progress and success. Procrastination. One common manifestation of hyperbolic discounting is procrastination. We often delay tasks that require effort and focus, opting for immediate distractions or short-term leisure activities instead. At the moment, the allure of immediate relaxation or entertainment outweighs the long-term benefits of completing the task promptly. Unhealthy eating habits. When it comes to healthy eating, hyperbolic discounting can lead to poor food choices. We might opt for unhealthy fast food or sugary snacks that provide instant gratification and taste, disregarding the long-term impact on our health. The immediate pleasure of indulging in unhealthy food can outweigh the potential benefits of a nutritious diet. Addiction. Hyperbolic discounting plays a role in addiction as well. Individuals struggling with substance abuse may prioritize the immediate euphoric effects of drugs or alcohol over the negative consequences that arise in the long run. The desire for immediate gratification can overpower the awareness of future harm caused by addiction. Financial planning. Hyperbolic discounting can hinder effective financial planning. Many individuals find it challenging to save money for retirement or long-term goals because they prioritize immediate spending on discretionary items. The allure of immediate purchases often outweighs the importance of saving for a secure financial future. Relationship commitment. In romantic relationships, hyperbolic discounting can affect commitment levels. Individuals may prioritize the immediate thrill of new and exciting relationships over the stability and long-term fulfillment that committed partnerships offer. This preference for immediate romantic gratification can hinder the development of deep, lasting relationships. Strategies to overcome hyperbolic discounting. Fortunately, there are strategies we can employ to overcome hyperbolic discounting and make more balanced decisions. Awareness is key. Recognize when you're falling into the trap of hyperbolic discounting. Pay attention to those moments when you're prioritizing short-term pleasure without considering the long-term consequences. Once you recognize this pattern, you can implement strategies to overcome it. Set clear, achievable goals and break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Visualize the ultimate reward you'll receive by staying focused on your long-term goals. Elaborate on mindfulness and accountability. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, aware of our thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations. By practicing mindfulness, we can enhance our ability to make choices that align with our long-term aspirations. When faced with a decision between instant gratification and long-term goals, mindfulness allows us to pause, reflect, and consider the potential long-term consequences of our actions. It helps us break free from impulsive decision-making driven solely by immediate rewards. Accountability and support systems play a crucial role in overcoming hyperbolic discounting. Seeking guidance from mentors or joining communities with similar goals can provide the necessary structure and encouragement. When we share our goals and progress with others, we create a sense of accountability. Mentors or like-minded individuals can offer guidance, advice, and support along the journey, helping us stay focused on our long-term objectives. Another powerful tool is creating incentives. Design a system of rewards for yourself that aligns with your goals. By rewarding yourself for making progress, you can satisfy your desire for instant gratification more healthily. Thank you for joining us on this journey of understanding hyperbolic discounting. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical strategies to achieve a balance between instant gratification and long-term goals. Now, we would love to hear from you. Have you personally experienced the challenges of hyperbolic discounting? What strategies have you found effective in overcoming this bias? Share your experiences, thoughts, and strategies in the comments section below. Let's create a community of support and inspiration where we can learn from each other. If you found this video insightful and helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might benefit from this knowledge. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on the intricacies of human behavior. Remember, the journey to mastering self-control and balancing instant gratification with long-term success is ongoing. Your insights and experience can inspire and empower others. Together, let's continue exploring and evolving towards a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and share your wisdom with the world.